D140 Raleigh. D140 Raleigh. Shots fired. Shots fired. Sir, let me see. Hey, drop the gun. Drop the gun. Drop the gun. Harmony Drive at Solo Drive, Siler City. Drop the gun. Drop the gun. Drop the gun. D140 Raleigh.
Police department over there.
VDMAS 1018. I got one subject now. Hey, come on, stay with me. D140, I need EMS 1018 and CPR.
D140, we're public service looking now. We're getting to 70.
Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, sir, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, sir. D140 Raleigh, just 1014, hit GSW to the chest.
D140, 10-4, hit it to 17.
Oh, God, God. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, sir. Come on, sir. All right. Come on, breathe, stay with me. Come on, sir. 2, 3, 4. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 1, 2, 3. Come on, sir. Come on. 1, 2, Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. Come on. I need EMS to get here. They're on the way, though. Come on. Oh. Oh. Come on. Come on. D140, Raleigh, got an ETA, EMS.
Officer, you all right?
I'm good.
Okay.
Yeah. D140, just advising me Harmony Hills subdivision.
On wheel drive.
Yes, sir.
You sure you all right?
Yes, sir, I'm good. He pulled a gun.
Yeah, I see the gun.
Oh, come on. Come on, EMS. Hey. You can step away, sir.
Okay.
I'm sure you don't want to see. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Ah. Oh. I don't think it's any good. Just don't move the gun or anything.
What's your name, Rob?
Do what?
What's your name?
Can somebody take over? Can you take some? Don't touch the gun. He's the EMS. He's EMS.
35, that's 4 hour away. Passenger now,
I asked him for a driver's license. He reached up and grabbed the gun. I ran back to the back of the car. He bailed out with the gun.
Where's he shot at?
Upper chest, upper right chest.
What we got here? We got a bullet hole.
No, there's only one shot fired.
Was it his?
No, it's my gun.
Let's just get him on here. We'll do everything back. Truck's on off public zone. Ready? 1, 2, 3. what it says.
Young kid. Oh. There's another one that ran. Yeah.
Is he in this truck here, Rod?
He was in this and it rolled after he got out after the shot. It rolled down. Just watch where he
Where's
at.
your supervisor at?
That's probably him. Just came up.
If you can, just keep everybody this. Let's say it. Let's tape it off.
I get tape.
Yeah.
I get tape.
Have you been cleared this vehicle, Rod?
Nah, he took off running. I was trying to render aid. He was a young male, red shirt also. It was 2 occupants, young Hispanic males. No, I just turned around for a seatbelt violation.
2 weeks ago, y'all chased this.
Sarge, he pulled a gun on me.
Calm down.
Freaking seatbelt violation.
Calm down. Calm down. You okay?
I'm fine. There was no shots fired at me. He grabbed the gun. I reached in there, tried taking the gun. I couldn't get the gun from him. I bailed to the back of the truck. He bails out with the gun, and when he does, I shot.
Okay.
And 1 shot, upper left chest. I couldn't find my gloves. I was trying to get my gloves. I rendered CPR and all that with him, but
Okay. You got PDA? Calm down. You got PDA? Calm down. Are you okay?
I'm okay.
Alright. Here's what I need you to do. Have this. Can you stay with him? Huh?
Call the wife. Yeah. Man, that's my kid down here. Let me go ahead.